Hi, my name is Nick Howard. I'm the service manager at Reggie's Motorworks.
My name is Nick Starter. I'm the lead service advisor here at Reggie's Motorworks.
My name is Toby Wallace. I am one of the ASC Master Technicians here at Reggie's.
Travis Todd, automotive technician.
Brandon Patton, I'm a fabricator and a vintage technician.
Todd Dellinger, I'm a ASC Master Technician, have been for 25 years.
My name is Brett Gribble. I'm the service and parts specialist here at Reggie's Motorworks.
What stands out most about this job is the team mentality, the camaraderie that everyone has.
We are really a team and almost really a family here.
The sense of community. The techs get along, we're involved with our customers, and we're all genuinely interested in keeping our customer cars running.
So it's a very, very good atmosphere, and I think that translates into the rapport we have with each other, as well as how we project it into the clients that we serve.
Reggie's very motivated to make sure all of his employees are staying up to date on training and making sure all their customers are happy and taken care of.
Reggie, our owner, really wants to see you excel because he's not the stories you hear of a greedy owner that wants everything for himself. He really understands that if you excel and he makes you as good as you can possibly be, that also helps him. But he really wants to see others succeed as well.
Yeah, it seems like the management actually cares about their technicians. I think in my 25 years of working someplace, this has been the best place.
Reggie's is a great place to work because we're passionate about what we do.
We are a culture of car enthusiasts.
We're all in this because we like cars, not just because it's something that we can do.
It really just feels like you're hanging out in your garage at home and hanging out with your friends. You don't really feel like you're working, you're kind of doing what you like and with people you like.
For the past almost 5 years, I've never said, I don't want to go to work today. And that to me means a lot, to be able to really enjoy what I do and enjoy who I work with.